The sun and the sand. The allure of Florida's beaches and warm weather draws more people in every year. But if you own or even rent property in the Sunshine State, you know that insurance premiums have risen considerably there.
We have seen a very, very dramatic increase in insurance premiums, both commercially and residentially.
Florida is risky from an insurance standpoint because of the threat of hurricanes and other climate-fueled weather extremes. That risk is now being factored into real estate listings with greater consistency, at least in the United States. But in Canada, the data is hit and miss.
We approached national and provincial associations to give us the data, to work with us, to provide us with the data. They would not provide us with that data. They didn't want that to be publicly available.
Catherine Backus is one of a handful of researchers in Canada who studies the implications of climate risk on real estate valuations.
More data needs to become available so then we can put appropriate measures into place to reduce these risks.
In the absence of data, consumers are forced to make an educated guess as to how prone their properties are to future risk, something the experts say needs to be part of all real estate decisions. This map of the U.S. shows the counties that had the greatest population loss. High-risk places in the South that are highly desirable, like Florida, are still attracting more people than they're losing, but that could change.
Over the next 30 years, our projections are that some of these risky growth areas in the South and in the West are going to start to also look like these Midwestern areas. And the impact of flood is going to become stronger than the amenities that are in the area.
Ottawa, for its part, wants to create a climate adaptation home rating system because as it stands, there's no easy way to get a climate resilience score when buying or selling a home. Kam Razavi, Global News.